So the official specs have leaked. And it starts off with the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and Z Flip 7 fan event, or fan edition, that's coming out on Wednesday. Starting off right away, we have design, big and versatile, compact and accessible. Compact and accessible, which kind of makes sense for the flippable phones versus the folds. Storage options, it does say C promotion because, as always, wait, hold up. Where's the 1TB version for the Z Fold 7? Like, we know there's not going to be a 1TB version for the Z Flip 7 and the Flip 7 Fan Edition. That's just kind of how it is. There isn't ever a 1TB option. But why is there not a 1TB option for the Z Fold 7? That's strange. Always usually is. I'm guessing that they just didn't put it on there because it wasn't uniform with the rest of them, but interesting. Also, the Flip 7 Fan Edition is going to have a 128GB version and a 256. So that's starting at a 128, which a lot less. 4400 millihertz battery, which talked about before. A lot of people are upset about that, myself included, because how are you going to have a Z Fold 7 with a bigger inside and outside display, but yet give us the same battery as last year? Doesn't make any sense. 8-inch unfolded display. Folded is 6.5 inches. 200 megapixel camera. We do have blue shadow, jet black, and silver shadow. Infinity flex window. No, obviously there are on Z Flip devices, but not the Fold. And Galaxy AI will be on all three, which, if we're being honest, kind of expected across the board. So again, this is weird. Hold up. So this is posted not on Twitter at all, actually. Okay, I thought this was posted on Twitter, but it was not. Okay. That is interesting to say the least. I don't know how much. I mean, this is according to the leak, obviously. Listen, it's a leak, right? So, but this is apparently the official promotion. So, I guess the only reason 1TB is weird, but I guess that makes sense because you couldn't put it on here, like, unless you take away the gigabyte versions. But I think for the majority of the public, people are going to be wanting to get 256 or 512. And if you pre-order it, you're going to get 512 automatically. So I guess that makes sense. But wow, the Z Flip 7 and the Flip 7 Fan Edition are pretty much identical when it comes to size. The only difference is 300 millihertz less battery, storage options are different, and colors, color scheme is different too. It's only black and white for Flip 7 Fan Edition. I'm really surprised by that, actually. I'm surprised they didn't just go crazy and give us like every color possible for that, because that's going to be cheaper and probably the phone a lot of people gravitate toward. So I'm actually surprised by that, because I know we had the Bespokes edition back in the day. So why not? I don't know. It's Samsung. You never know. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. Peace out.